Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions. This eliminates common roadblocks. Sign into your Epic Games account and open the app you want to link. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on Epic because many integrations require it for security. Next, allow the app to access basic profile info. That permission is usually mandatory. If you're on a shared device, use a private window only for the linking step, and then close it to protect credentials. You now begin the linking flow inside the app. Locate Connect, Link, or Account settings and choose Epic Games. When the Epic authorization page appears, read requested scopes and accept only necessary permissions. This prevents oversharing. If prompted, re-enter your Epic credentials and complete two-factor verification. This proves it's you. Once authorized, the app will confirm the connection. Make sure the displayed Epic username or email matches your intended account, because some people have more than one profile. You finish by verifying the link from both sides. Open Epic's Connected Accounts page and the app's Linked Accounts section to confirm. Once done, test a specific feature that relies on the link. Try crossplay, restore purchases, or sync progress to ensure data flows correctly. If something fails, make sure to clear browser cache or try a different browser, then revoke the connection and retry the authorization. That reset often resolves token or permission mismatches quickly, so don't skip it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.